Just a few minutes from the lights and crowds of downtown Grapevine, you'll find a place where Christmas slows down a bit. Nash Farms is a historic working farm that gives visitors a glimpse of what life looked like here more than a century ago. During the holidays, the farm comes alive with special events that bring those traditions back to life, with crafts, demonstrations, and hand-on activities that show how families once celebrated the season. One of the most popular experiences is making historic Christmas ornaments, where visitors create decorations inspired by the simple handmade styles people used long before plastic ornaments filled the stores. Inside the farmhouse kitchen, another tradition takes shape, as you get to help bake classic Christmas cookies using a recipe that dates back all the way to 1860. They're cooked the old-fashioned way too, inside a heavy cast-iron stove that works just as it did generations ago. The smell of fresh cookies, the warmth of the kitchen, and the rhythm of life on the farm makes it easy to imagine what Christmas might have felt like here over 100 years ago. It's a quiet reminder that sometimes the best holiday traditions are the simplest ones.